Nestled within Japan's embrace, Kuma Highlands is a tranquil space where mountains rise and valleys greet. Nature and history quietly meet.
Beneath the hills where shadows play, a village blooms in autumn sway. Roof lines peek through a forest dense, each home a haven, calm and immense. The crimson leaves a vibrant crown, guard the land as they tumble down. Maples whisper in the breeze, telling stories to ancient trees. Kuma's charm lies in its gentle air, a peaceful haven beyond compare. Traditional homes with roofs of slate stand as relics to contemplate. Trails wind through cedar-scented light, where every step feels pure, feels right. The rustle of leaves and rivers hum guide the hearts of those who come. Beneath the hills where shadows play, a village blooms in autumn sway. Roof lines peek through a forest dense, each home a haven, calm and immense. The crimson leaves a vibrant crown, guard the land as they tumble down. Maples whisper in the breeze, telling stories to ancient trees.